This is my first unboxing video. Ordered a WPL C34 1/16 scale 4-wheel drive 2.4 gigahertz buggy or crawler, and it's basically the Land Cruiser 1/16 scale Land Cruiser. Now, as we can see here, the package is really rough, and I don't know what condition it'll be in, but let's start. So just gonna open it up, and of course I open it up upside down, and as you can see, the package is really torn away. So I'm gonna flip this open, and wow, not good at all. I mean, this thing looks like it's been through hell and back. I got, but you know what? It wasn't a bag, and hopefully we didn't lose any parts here, but man, poor packaging. It looks like it got wet. It got squished up, everything. Well, so let's see what we have. Looks like we have the front grille piece here, and then this is of course the top for the truck. And then I have even more pieces here, more grille pieces. That's the black part for the grille. Looks like a side mirror. Looks like a step. I don't know. All right, and some other neat pieces here. Then we got part of the body mount. And this is all like plastic, it's not metal, but we got part of the body mount. Looks like the back half of the body, and along with some doors in there. All these bags have WPL on it, you know, stating this their model. And here, oh, we got motor. And like I said, this is my first unboxing video, and it's also my first RC build. I have built some other vehicles before, some scale models before, but this would be my first attempt at an RC build. So as I go through this, I'll be making videos of the build so you guys can see my progress and critique me on what I did and what I didn't do correctly. But looking forward to it. So it looks like we got, I don't know, well, we got the motor and some other pieces. I want to say a hub for the back axle, but we'll see as we go along. Ooh, tires. Ooh, they're nice and soft too. Ooh, that's nice. We got 5 tires. I assume one's a spare on the back, but we got tires. Okay, in this bag, it looks like we got interior parts. Yeah, seats, that kind of good stuff. Then here we got more, looks like the cab area. And oh, we got a servo in there, some wires, looks like for the lights, and some little tube of red, I don't know what that is. And we got the hood or bonnet, as we said back in Trinidad. And there are the axles, I guess front and rear, or yeah, maybe, yeah, front and rear. It's 4-wheel drive, of course, front and rear. All right, and then we got a bunch of screws, springs, I assume for the shocks, and some more miscellaneous pieces. Then we got the front half of the body, nice. And we got metal rails, I think. Yeah, they feel metal-y. Yeah, pretty strong. Yeah, metal. All right, so these are the rails. Nice. And then we got instruction booklet, which, not too bad. Tells you everything to do. So here comes the complicated part. Oh, wow. That's instructions for you there. And please note, these are not like step 1, step 2, step 3 part instructions. These are just a picture with diagrams, you know, lines and parts, and you connect everything, and that's it. Gambate. I guess that means completed. All right, so it looks like it'll be a challenge, but one I'm willing to take. So, ooh, we got stickers. Nice. Well, anyway, that's it for the unboxing. Like I said, let me go through these a little bit. Oh, it's just Chinese in the back and front. And okay, I'll get through these. And stickers. But like I said, as you can see, our box was pretty much unboxed before it got here. Thanks, Banggood. So I'll put that away. Off-road racing series. Yeah. Oh, well, and you guys could tell I got the blue, so. Okay, well, that's it. First unboxing video done. Stay tuned for assembly.